How to clear search history on Chrome on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Chrome here, and then as you can see here, if you tap on that, you will see my search history. Now to be able to actually clear my search history on Chrome is on the upper part, you will see your profile there. Tap on that and scroll all the way down up until you see privacy and security. Tap on that, and then here you will see clear browsing data. It's actually the first option. Tap on that, and then tap on the bottom part, you will see clear browsing data. Tap on that again, and then the items you selected will be removed. So let's say you want to save the saved password here, you just have to tap on that and it will unchecks. And then this one, let's say you just want to delete all your search history, so toggle off cookies and site, cache images and files, saved password on your autofill data, and tap on clear browsing data and just confirm it. As you can see here, browsing history is none. Then if you go back here, you will not see any history. And now you have successfully cleared your search history on Chrome on iPhone. And basically that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.